This is my oregano right here. It's out of control. Out of control. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to your Cali Bro J. This is my first garden update of 2026. As we can see, we're passing the dragon fruit lane, coming down to the avocado tree. We have the making of some buds right there. But believe it or not, guys, there are tons of avocado on this tree. Let's go under. So now we're under the tree. And I mean, these are some huge avocados I've been harvesting. Avocados, look at this one. Huge, huge avocados. Look at this right here, guys. Look, that one fell on the floor. Okay. We got some sweet potatoes growing right here. But look at these avocados right here. Look at this. Huge, huge avocados. This looked like it just fell. Yep. Now we're coming over to the tangerine tree. Loaded with tangerine. The pomegranate
If
tree.
you've made it this far in the video, why haven't you hit that like, share, and subscribe button yet? It's free. It's your Cali Bro J. You know the motto on the page. Each one teach one. And now let's continue with the video. Peace.
Starting to put out some more buds and some pomegranates. Now I have to come back over here and trim so that I could get this trellis right here exposed to the sun. Then I got a couple of air layers going right here and one right here. And then guys, look at this. This is from the potatoes that I planted when I installed this new raised bed right here. And if you're wondering why I have all this stuff right here, the cats came back with a vengeance. I think it's like 5-6 cats now. So now I'm dealing with that issue. And they are a menace. We got the lemon tree. I'm just waiting for some of the lemons to get ripe. More of them. I thought these were good, but they're not. So it's a dead branch somewhere around here that I have to come get the ladder and pull it out. So all of those are pretty much gone already. So I'm gonna come and do a harvest and send out the last 2 boxes that I need to send out. So that's gonna go out in a couple of days. And then got some more potatoes right here. See, I have to put the sticks down so that the cats don't dig them up. So got some potatoes there. These are the big potatoes, like the Idaho potatoes right here. Got some green onions. Got my star fruit tree. Hopefully this comes back in the springtime. Got some greens right here. Got some green onions. This is the compost. I got something growing there. I don't know, it could be a squash or something. Got something growing there. This is the compost bin. Empty container back there. Some more dragon fruit. And then I have to put some dimaceous earth or whatever that thing is called all over this right here. This is my greens, this is my cabbage and my cabbage and broccoli right here, and they're getting destroyed by something. Cats were here digging up. Same thing here. Cats were here, so I had to cover that all up. This is all area that I'm gonna drop some seeds in later on today, so I gotta get this area ready. Same thing here, just getting it ready to plant. Cats came in here, so I have to put this over it to protect it from the cats coming to dig. So that's it for right now. I got some seeds that I gotta drop. I'm gonna harvest this onion right here, this green onion. I'm gonna use that for my meal today. Got some tomatoes, some wildflowers. The bees have been coming out. I keep those there. So pretty much just getting everything ready for me to drop some seeds. All right, you know the motto on the page, but if you don't, each one teach one. Cali Bro J, and I will definitely see you on the next video. Peace.